Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu news that got out in January will make us rich. Why? As explained, after the New Year celebrations, there is usually a break in market and industry trade. It makes sense that there would be very little or no Shiba Inu, which is why there is no fire volume on the chain. On December 31 and January 1, though, that was the case. This video is about Shiba Inu news that got out. January is going to make us rich. Why? Made clear. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inus. Let's start the video right away. The Shiba Inu portal says that in the past 24 hours, nearly 100 million Shiba Inu coins have been burned. This number has become much more important in the past 48 hours, as almost 300 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned in just one transaction. Even though burning actions on the network have slowed down, there is still a certain amount of burned assets that Shiba Inu will allow, which causes the supply to slowly decrease over time. Investors are able to burn up to 1 billion Shib tokens when the network is busy, which greatly improves the token's success on the market. The meme token's price has been going down all through 2022 for a number of different reasons, including the current burn and the slow removal of Shib from the market. The general direction of the cryptocurrency market going down. Huge losses in investors' portfolios and a lack of clarity about Shiba Inu's prospects. It went up on January 1, 2023. At $16,566 USD, the world's most famous digital currency traded almost flat, with a positive bias. Based on data from CoinGecko, the global cryptocurrency market cap stayed below $1 trillion today. It has stayed flat over the last 24 hours at $828 billion. The price of Bitcoin went up today. At $16,566 USD, the world's biggest and most famous digital coin traded almost flat, with a positive bias. Based on data from CoinGecko, the global cryptocurrency market cap stayed below $1 trillion today. It has stayed flat over the last 24 hours at $828 billion. But Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency and the coin linked to the Ethereum system, was moving a little higher as well, at $1,195. The price of Dogecoin was down about 1% today, at 60 cents, while the price of Shiba Inu 1 was down at 80 cents. Looking at how Shib's stock is spread out shows that the largest address groups have seen their balances rise. This means big whales have bought the drop. But a closer look at the current amount of demand shows that few stores are taking part. At least in the last week of December 2022, the number of transactions stayed in the average range, if not went down. This could mean that the retail market isn't participating in a big way. There may not have been many people shopping because the weighted mood dropped from December 23 RD to December 27 TH. The price has gone up a lot in the last 2 days, though, which shows that buyers are becoming more optimistic. The bearish trend seems to have slowed down so far, especially in the last 24 hours, thanks to the whale action. The price went up by at least 2%, but it probably won't go up much more if there aren't enough whales buying and selling to make a big bounce. The 90-day MVRV ratio had a small bounce, which means that people who bought near the current lows are already making money. Based on its market value, Shiba Inu is having a hard time making up for the losses it had in 2022. People who own the token are still happy because it recently broke out of its down channel after a huge Shib burn. Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of the Shib project, has told everyone that the Layer 2 scaling option, Shibarium, is being worked on and will be ready for launch soon. The burn rate for Shiba Inu, a joke coin with a market value of $4.78 billion, went through the roof. The burn mechanism is an important part of the Shib ecosystem because it forever removes tokens from circulation. This changes the dynamics of supply and the price of the asset. At the end of 2022, hundreds of millions of tokens were destroyed, which caused Shib burn to go up by 13,000%. The Shib burn site shows that more than 100 million Shib were burned in 24 hours. In the next 48 hours, 300 million more of the Dogecoin killer's tokens were taken out of circulation for good in a single exchange. Kusama reassured the community that work on Shibarium a Layer 2 scaling option, is still on track. Kusama met with the project's Unity team and confirmed that Shibarium is on its way to completion. The launch of Shibarium is something that everyone in the community is looking forward to. Experts think it could cause the meme coin to rise in value. With a big jump in price, Shib recently broke out of a flat line. The joke coin is still 90% below its all-time high of $0.8616, though. Since the middle of December 2022, the price of Shib has been going down. With a close above the upper trend line at $0.810, it broke out of the down channel. The meme coin is worth $0.813 right now, which is close to its 50-day exponential moving average. Shiba Inu bulls want to reach the level of $0.814. The next level of support is at $0.832. Shib price could lose its positive case if it falls below the 20-day EMA at $0.809. The cryptocurrency market had a rough year in 2022, but Shiba Inu stayed strong and made sure it would be one of the top digital currencies that year. With a market value of $4.39 billion, Shiba Inu is ranked 15th out of all dogs. Satoshi Kusama, who created the Shiba Inu, has confirmed that the Shibarium protocol will be released very soon. This is a blockchain scaling solution that could make a huge difference in Shib's place in the cryptocurrency industry. The good news comes after Kusama and Unification UND, who are important to building the Shiba Inu environment, met and talked things over. People who invest money are excited about this big start, and they think it could make Shib's price go up a lot by early 2023. With such a long-awaited move coming up, they should keep a close eye on what happens in the coming days and weeks. Shibarium protocol set the price of Shiba Inu so that investors could think about the basics of a cryptocurrency project before deciding to join. Now that we know that, let's look at some other altcoins that are built on solid ideas and could make money in the future. Since Elon bought Twitter, the cryptocurrency market has been going down, but there might be a huge pump in the DeFi group in January 2023. People who put money into meme coins made millions of dollars in 2021 and 2022. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have gone up a lot this year. Some famous buyers, like Snoop Dogg, Ariana Grande, Logan Paul, and even Pauly from Jersey Shore, have joined the market. Traders were happy last week because of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's price went up at least 13% on Wednesday because of rumors that it might be listed on Robinhood. After 2 days, Elon Musk's tweet that Tesla will let people pay for things with Dogecoin made the joke coin go up 13% as well. It's good that Tesla lets people use Dogecoin to buy things from the company. The move makes the joke coin more useful in real life, but it probably won't have a big effect. Tesla doesn't give specifics about how its products are selling. On the company's income sheet, these sales are grouped together with other sales. Tesla made $2.74 billion in services and other income in the first 9 months of 2021. There's also the matter of how often